Here in Singapore Zoo. Yeah. Joshi is sleepy. Oh, nice orchids. Singapore Zoo. Welcome to the wild side. Oh, Monday. Seeding Monday's feature. Since we are all hungry, so we decided to take our lunch first before we go inside. And we were still waiting for our other two friends. So it was lucky for us to have someone who has a free passes in Singapore Zoo. So we got a free ticket, basically free ticket for adults, and we only bought tickets for the kids. So we decided to eat at Chawang Bistro, and I will give you a review on the food that we ordered. Wow. May apa? Grabe ang fries eh. Bungog ito. Siyang gitunga guys. Ano niya masulod. Bastante naman kaani. Kauna. Tag $17 din siya guys. So, tanan na mo meals, nagasto na mo is $60 na tanan. Kani siya mga $65 sa day tanan. Kani siya, wala ko kasabot sa lami. Mura mo siya bland ug lami. So kani ang kaning beef, lami ni siya beef. Kani raho mo kayang chicken. Just beside Chawang Bistro is the Casa Italia ice cream stall. Their ice cream looks so yummy, and I bought the dark truffle ice cream, which was really yummy. I will give a brief review about it. Unaw bitaw. Dili sa siya tamis, sakto ra kayo yung katamis. Nya soft kay smooth the end, soft smooth. For wildlife. Come here, Dave. Oh. The monkey. Mo din sila tong gatawid-tawid. Sila oh. Spot the monkey. Spot the monkey. What do you see, Dave? Turtle? Oh yeah, there's turtle. Find the turtle. Look, they're gonna go good. Wow, amazing. Napay buaya. Wow. Buhit na lagi kay kuy no. Kan kay siya kuy no. And then Dave. Saki monkey ya po na. Moody si Josh oh, Moody.
Ano to mo ang dagat? Sa rabitan ng ruta, na ruta lang.
Apil sa kubi. Ang photographer, videographer kay permi lang mawala. Permi lang way labot ang tigkuha. Park FG experience.
There's one hidden.
Oh my gosh, dinosaur, what's in their name? Means terrible lizard in Greek, but bone while dinosaurs are reptiles, they were not true lizards. Okay. Hala. Sige, sige, tawag ni si long feet. Si long feet. Long neck.
Bigfoot. Zoorasic. Bigfoot.
Si long neck di ay. Sama ni siya. Oh, in the family, cousins of otters. Cousins of otters na siya. Oh, look, he's swimming.
They're so cute. They're trying to eat me. They're trying to crawl there.
There, gotta cheer.
Let's go to the other dinosaur.
Kinsa man eh? Iguanodon. Iguanodon. Wala, kuyawa oh. Mupiyong lagi siya. Grabe ha, ignorante kayo. Wala, lihok sa dihang. Ihang dila mo lihok sa. Ay, kanling. It look like real. Amazing. Hello, T-Rex? Hello, Dave.
Paano ni patay sa T-Rex?
Ano siya?
Sa Zoorasic.
Wala, grabe siya, oh. Pilok-pilok pagid siya. Piyong-piyong, oh. Oh, pinakurog-kurog pa sa baba. Ah, grabe, uy. Sorry guys, ignorante dito kayo ta. Oh, muliyog sa diyang kamot, oh. Spinosaurus. The largest of all carnivorous dinosaurs, even bigger than T-Rex. Oh. What's her name? This is Mojoceratops.
The bunny dinosaur.
Si Sarah. Sarah is here. Sarah. Oh, Sarah lagi. Oh. Wow, mura jud siya tino. Di mo siya piyong-piyong. Mura gid siya tinuod, guys. Grabe makakakuyaw sa gamay. Oh, who is that? Si Allosaurus.
Look at that one. Oh no.
Katawagin Dave. Ala, Dave. Kikpaak yan kamot, Dave. Help him, Dave. Hadlok po siya. Umisaurus. O kani, si Kuan. Stegosaurus. Si Spike na, si Spike, oh. Dave, you stand up here, Dave. I'll take a photo of you, dali. Huwag mo siya matlihok lagi. Ay, grabe, eh. Uli, Dave, you stand up there. Smile, Dave. Look. Chitosaurus. Wow. Kinsa man sad ni siya? Ah, pterodactyl. Dilophosaurus. Ah, mao ni siya, oh. Remember katong sa kuan Jurassic Park 3 ba? Kuyawan sa taan ni. Pachycephalosaurus da sa ora pag-pronounce. Sa pag-pronounce as Pachycephalosaurus da. Hala, he have eggs, Dave. Look, Dave. Velociraptor, la.
Oh,
See the baby dinosaur? Baby dinosaur. Who's the dummy?
Oh, look at this one. Oh, Papa, sige na, drama kayo. Dali, dali, dali. Gabe, help Papa, di. Help Papa, di. It's not moving.
I think it's not activated. Papa!
T-Rex, oh, T-Rex, oh.
Big dinosaur.